Morning, Taiwan! Day 2!
Ganyan din kaya mamaya.
Ganyan na ganyan eh.
Oo, nakahapon. Ayaw na pumasok sa ano.
Kagabi dumiretso kayo.
Saan nga tayo bumili ng matcha tayo?
Ayun na.
Sabi na daw siya mag-walk.
Tapos na.
Ako, ito na simula ang kalbaryo ko. Nag-umpisa na, ayan na. Okay lang, iwan ko naman sa banyan.
Akin na nga yung iba tayo.
Ah, ito pala is exit na lang. Yan na yung nakaupo. Saan? Malagay tayo dito. Wait lang. Wala, ang cute na kay Bara din. Ayun na. Ayun.
24 hours of bed. Please everyone put this up, right? Okay, we'll line up here, nice, over here.
Okay. Ay, team number
Number 1. Okay.
Thank you. Okay. Okay. Hello, team 1. Ang cute. Pwede bang ano to, yung Let's go! Group 1! Group 1! Group 1!
1, 2.
Besides that one, you can take any seat, but try to sit together with your friend, with your family. We got 4 of us today. Okay? All right.
Tapos dito na sila. Dito na tayo.
May isa pa. Tabi mo na. Kainin na lang.
Ay, ganun din. Grabe, parang full meal na pala to.
Alam niya lang. Tapos nag-aaral siya. May ulam kanin ka lang.
Ano naman ito? Tatayin dito.
5 minutes lang pala ang time.
Thank you.
See started in front of the store. Grab some garlic chutney. And the second famous street food.
Let's go, Maxine. Init. Init, grabe. Shifen tayo, no?
Hawak mo kami. Hindi, iba talaga yung iitin.
Hindi, ganito rin talaga. Pag 9.
Nag-9 ganito. Ganito mainit talaga. Hindi ka na, tanghali ka na kasi lalabas ka eh.
Baka di ka kasi lumalabas sa bahay niyo.
Takot ang video. Oh my God, I'm so scared.
Ano pa ano?
Tayo na pala naiiwan sa group natin. Pagkakalat pa. Ay, gumanda na yung bridge.
Hindi ba to ganito dati?
Pag ganito ka, ganda yung kao.
This kind of train transport the coal mine. There's still coal inside the train. If you're interested, you can check it out later. Okay? And the other thing, if you've been to the temple in Taiwan, you will see the same pair of lions in the front gate. It's the protector of the gate. It's a pair. Take a guess. Which one is male, which one is female?
Right,
Male?
female.
Male?
Female is always right.
Wow.
The correct answer, the right hand side, the right one is female.
Oh.
Yeah, because
Female
female
is always right.
That's what people say because women always right.
Yeah.
But no, it's not the answer, okay? The answer is you can see under her cloth, there's a baby lion. So that one is the mom, this one is the dad. Yeah, and you can see the male one holds a ball, right? This
Ah,
ball
ito
is
pala yung ano, lion.
traditional thinking. Has 9 sons. It's one of the sons. The name is Pisho. Pisho. In our legend, it can make money for you. It can keep the money for you. So lots of businessmen will put a pair in their store or on their desk, or even make a bracelet wear on their hand. But why can it keep the money? We have a very interesting reason. Because it got mouth, but no ass. So the money goes in, won't go out. Or stuck there, so it can keep the money. So that's the reason. Okay. All right, we're almost there.
First destination pa lang ito.
Okay, at my back is the waterfall. But as you can see, the water is very small now. Yeah, because I said it hasn't been raining for over 1 month actually. But if you come here and last week, it will look like this. Much more dry. Last week, it's last week. Last week, yeah. But because it's rained a little bit at last Friday, so it looked like this now. Okay. Together. If you want to buy drinks or ice cream rolls, show them the net tag. They will give you 5 NT discount for each. Okay. Alright. If you have Skyline tag, please follow me. If you don't, you have your free time. Okay. Right. Let's go. Team number 6. Who is team number 6? Team 1. Okay. When you get your hand, then you can start to ride. Okay. Be careful with the ink.
Business. Busy. More busy. Ayos ko yung mare.
Ito na eh. Ito na eh. Okay. Okay, on next. Sino next dito?
Okay.
Ano yung kumagulong bro?
Long life.
Yeah, long life. Long live the world.
In the middle. Long, mamaya mag-spell ka. Long life.
Nag-drawing pala si Jay.
Long life, 102 years old.
Grabe, ba't ko naman 100 lang? Dagdagan mo ba yan? Ay, 000.
0?
1111.
100 na lang.
Huwag mo naman ilimit sa 100.
1,000. Ayan na, 1,000. Heart.
Happiness is money.
Work-life balance.
Yeah, work-life balance.
At pwede mo draw dito?
Oh, draw ka na.
Draw ko na.
RCC to come.
Future.
One, two, three. Pause. One.
Paano hindi ako makapag-pause?
Hello. Pause. Hello. Smile. One, two, three. Pause. One, two, three. Pause.
Heart daw, heart daw.
One, two, three. Okay. Smile. Pause. One, two, three. Pause. Okay, thank you. Hello. Oh, okay.
Ang bilis naman na.
Hello. Okay, thank you. Salamat. Wait. Hold on. Okay, I'm all high. One, two, three. Let's go.
Bye-bye, Bobby. Magkano?
Bye. Bye. Smile, this.
Just wait a minute.
I miss it. 1, 2, 3. Pause. Pause.
Bilis mo
I
naman.
pause.
Pogi pose daw.
Just take it slowly.
Okay.
Bilis na pangyayari. Smile.
I go. I 1, 2, 3.
Magbabayaran na pala tayo ngayon na.
What do you recommend for refreshment?
I like milk tea, brown sugar milk tea, and oolong tea. This is Taiwan tea.
Taiwan tea.
Yeah, this is so good.
Ito na lang.
Brown sugar. This one na lang. Brown sugar only.
Only milk tea. 18.
Group 1 pero always late. Group 1. Paano?
Hindi yun, yung isa. Yung ganun, yung nakat ganun. Tapos,
Paano?
yung
I-ano mo
ganun.
kasi, demonstrate mo.
Anong ganun? Di ba gaganon kayo? Yung ganun. Tapos yung ganun.
When the hangout is in another country.
Ayun, yan.
Ay, no, gusto ko yan.
Okay.
Kasi di ko alam yung step. Ayun na.
Yan na, wala na.
Wala. Oo, mag-tiktok. TikTok ko yung TikTok natin, TikTok.
Wala kanina pa yung
Ito.
Mama! Bakit mo ako pinadala dito? Ayoko dito. Itinit.
Go, 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 go. Hurry, hurry, hurry.
Hurry daw. Hurry daw. Hurry. Ano, police is here. Police is here. Hello, nagsabi yung police. Oh my God.
Nagpapaypay pa yan.
There are also many tea house, tea store in this area. The most famous tea house I write in C. The name is Ame Tea House.
Sana kaya mo pa.
Laban lang.
Yeah.
Bagyo.
Baguio. Welcome to Baguio City.
One more Chinese is there.
Ayan na.
Wala na. Ayan na.
So for Taiwanese people, we also call Jufen the Golden Village. Golden Village. You know, the stairs is very famous for too long. So there's a coffee shop and no more stairs. So when you follow the stairs down and follow the same way back to the parking lot, okay? And the other thing, there's a police station by the stairs. Police station. This is the only one police station in this area. So if you really get lost up there, just find stores or Taiwanese people. Ask them where is police station. So when you find here, you can find a way back to our parking lot. Okay? Yes, you can step straight up and step straight down.
进消毒。如果遇下雨的肺炎，
Any questions? Okay, fine? Yeah. Okay.
Thank you.
Bo and noodle mix 65.
65.
Yung invisible fish
Dry
ball.
noodle and
Lahat
fish
na.
soup just 70.
Alam nga ding. Di ba sabi nga tatlo, fishball soup, tofu, tsaka yung isa, 105. Tapos beef soup. Papakita niya sa'yo, Temati.
One set na yan. Beef soup and dry noodle and tofu. Ayun. 105. This is soup and dry noodle, 70.
Okay, 105.
105.
Tapos ano pa order?
Grabe yun. Instant ha.
And additional beef soup.
Ito yung 105.
This soup.
Sino yun? Chicken. Ay,
Ilang set niya? Ito isang set.
ito 105.
Isang set. One set only for this one.
One set. One only.
We will share. Yeah.
No. I know. We have other orders.
One order for this and one beef soup.
Is it
One
fine?
set there, one beef soup.
Yeah. You want to drink na?
Kasi atin di ba pa kami muna patapusin? Grabe, ano? In instant picture yun.
Yan talaga yung sample agad. Sample.
Wala akong kamali-mali kumakain bigla nga dito. Hindi. Alam mo, magugulat yung kabil. Kaya na. Tapos din. Instant demo.
154 plus.
Tira ulo.
Siguro sanay sila sa ganun.
Grabe, no?
Bilis nila.
Inan eh. Ginanon pa nga eh. Oh,
Ginanon?
Parang
Basta yung 50 mo kay Ate Man. Magkano yun? 150
ano pa may
Grabe.
As after nun, pagbaba natin ng... Parking na? Hindi, pagbaba natin sa shift fin. Wala naman tayong ginawa. Wala tayong ginawa dito.
140. Okay, now.
Wait lang, sino gumastos ng MRT?
Ano to? May.
Ayaw man.
Ate Marjorie, pati lantern Ate Marjorie. Ito yung beef? Hindi pa? Wala pa.
100 din natin.
Kasama yan sa 3, di ba? Di ba tatlong ano lang, yung tatlong set lang?
Tatlo lang sa isang set.
Eh, ba't ano to?
May yung beef ba yun?
We have like,
Beef?
what beef noodles? This is the beef?
Ito yung mix. Ay, ito yung...
Yes. This one? One. No, no. Di ba nag-order tayo beef noodles? This is the beef noodles.
Fried noodle.
Fried noodles.
This one, ito combo yan.
What's this? It's a beef soup.
Soup.
One set and one beef soup.
Ito na yung beef soup. Where's the noodles? Beef noodles.
One beef noodle.
One beef noodles.
Dito dapat.
Ano yung... Yaman?
Hindi kasi yung isa sa... Di ba?
Sabi niya,
Isang
ano?
set na ganito, tapos isang
Dapat beef noodles,
hindi ganito. Ano ba?
Mali na pag-itindi niya eh. Halika dito, te. Halika dito.
Ayusin mo ito, te.
Minamadali mo kasi kami.
Ano, te?
Ano language barrier na nga eh.
Paano?
Hindi ba pwede ibalik to?
May itlog pa dito?
Siguro.
Kasi hindi natin order eh. Excuse me. Parinig ka.
Parine.
Ano magkano yung ano? 250. Lantern.
Tapos, ano pa kayong milk?
Magkano ngayon?
Sa'yo din yan, ate.
Yung sa amin lang.
Hindi, sino nagbayad ng 250?
Mini.
Tayo may 50 ka?
100.
Hindi, 50 muna para mabilang na yung mga babayaran. Wala, mamaya na. Maya na 50 mo.
Hindi, mamaya na talaga kasi magbabayaran na naman eh.
Oo, ngayon. Sige, tatago ko
Ibig
muna
sabihin
ito yan.
yung may utang siya para dito.
Sino ang gusto mo? Ayun na nga, oh. Binigyan ko na eh. Anong gusto mo? Ayaw ko sabihin.
Ikipit holding hands kasi.
Hala, ang dami na. Sorry mo yung isa.
Ito yung babae.
Ito pala yung beef noodles.
Ito yung beef noodles. Tapos ito lang dapat in-order natin. Papabalik
Only this,
pa
sabi
natin.
mo, lapit mo dito. Only this.
Love this.
Oo. Lapit mo ito. Baka makuha.
Excuse me.
Not this one, this only.
Okay, this one.
Only this one.
No.
Free?
I don't know.
No.
Is this it? Beef only. This one.
上很久了，不可以。
Lalagay na daw. Okay. Sige. Sige,
How much is nagmamadali ka?
Huh?
How much?
35.
35, 105, and then 65. Okay. Nagmamadali ka kasi.
Nagmamarunong ka kasi.
Okay, later, mamaya. Yes. Pay now daw. Hindi pa nga kami busog.
Kasya ka ba?
Ito, 5. Ini-stress mo kami, Piha. Gutom na kami. Kakainin ka namin.
May 5 ka. May 5.
Nagmamadali ka dyan, ha? Paano? Hindi ka mag... Susuntokin kita. Namumuo na yung kamap ko.
Ay, wait na. 5 oh.
200.
105,000 million.
Nagmamadali kasi, hindi mag... Thank you.
Thank you, Shasha.
Tignan mo baka lagyan pag kumukuha ba? Oh, okay lang. No. Yeah. Ilan?
One lang. Isa. Or dalawa. Tapos
Dalhin mo dito. Dalhin mo dito, papapuntay mo. Sobra ka na.
May dala na naman sa tree.
Hindi natin tatanggapin. Oops, oops.
35 na naman.
Harang lang.
Thank you so much.
Deshe. Okay, perfect.
Yes, maybe I'll try it for free. I'll try together. They help for you. And you can try together.
Akin daw ka.
Ayun o.
Daw ka.
Thank you.
Masarap. Masarap.
Good for your sauce.
Good for your throat.
Ang ano?
Honey.
Ano ba yung tender na ano? Bank road?
Oo, yung get.
Thank you.
Dami.
65.
Thank you.
Sarap talaga. Sarap nga. Mahal din eh, no? Basura.
Wow. Uy, unang kagat lumalabas agad. Uy.
Masarap. Thank you po. Oh, Max. Sheshe. Thank you po. Daming Pinoy.
Dalawa, no?
Pinoy ba yun?
Hindi.
Marunong lang siya mag-Tagalog.
Siguro, required sa kanila magsalita ng masarap.
Ibig sabihin, ang daming Pinoy pala. Thank you. Perfect. Sarap. Siyempre.
Ano ba yung content sa kanila?
Iyan mo na.
Yung sigipan talaga maano na.
Hindi, i-partner mo.
Akala. Sarap.
Uy, perfect na sa ano, strawberry.
Masarap. Masarap. Loga. Not so sweet.
Ito na ba yung main? Ano yan, te? Pababa na din sa atin? Hindi. Ah?
Few things. First things, get your geographic part divided in 3 sections. Section 1, 2, 3. because we stay in the park for around 70 minutes, so actually you don't have so much time to go to section 3. Especially section 3 needs you to go up to the mountain. So I suggest you stay in section 1 and 2. The reason why Inno Geographic Park is famous because the rock inside the park is looks very special and also very ancient, very old. How old? The oldest one is more than 15 million years old. So you also see lots of fossils inside the park, underground. Okay, and all these rocks are being very serious damaged by the erosion. So please do not use your hand to touch the rock to put more damage on the rock. Okay? Like this one, the most famous rock in the park. You can see the neck of the queen's egg. This is queen's egg. The neck of the queen's egg, because of the erosion, it's getting narrow and narrow each year by 2 to 5 centimeters. So actually the park expects the queen's egg will collapse in 3 to 4 years. So if you come back to Taiwan 4 more years later, maybe you will not see the queen's egg anymore. Okay. So when the queen falls, the princess will rise. So later, after you going from here, just follow the road, keep going until you see the ocean. That will be the section 1 at your left hand side. And then keep walking, you will see the Queen's Head. That will be the section 2. So when you see the Queen's Head, don't go further. That will be section 3. Okay. We're going to the park now. If you buy the ticket on Klook, please prepare the voucher, the QR code at the right hand side. If you pay me to buy the ticket, please follow me at the left. Okay? Alright, let's go.
We are here at Yellow.
Your iPhone 15 Pro 512 gigabytes is now.
Oh my gosh. So nice here. Parang Jeju vibe. Kala ko talaga ng pag-Jeju. Yari!
Pauwi mo na ako ng
Ang init to, tirig na tirig ako.
walang magtrabaho dito. Binabaltrato ako sa mga bato. Ito po yung mga nagbabaltrato sa akin daw yung mga inday na kasama ko.
Bilhan mo!
Minsan po saan? Sa pag-twerk.
Yay! Nakuha ko yung keychain. So happy. Binigay na tour guide.
Ito chicken pork.
Thank you.
Nag-aantay ko kami ng tao dito. Gathering tuwing linggo. Pag-layout na nga. Oo nga. Ganda si Mami. Layout na mga inday. Ito sinama pa yung ito, sinalaga.
Ang sweldo dito. Gawang gawa lang. Kaya ako nga babali ako bukas eh. Papadala ko sa amin. Sakit. Ay, nagkalagnat.
Ikaw, pero sabi ng amo mo,
Hindi umuwi.
Ikaw
Hindi umuwi. Kaya ano pa.
Ako yung amo.
Ano? Tumingin na naman. Likod na.
Sorry, Sena talaga tumayin din. Sabi kasi.
Say na kayo. Iskandalosa kayo dito, ah.
70.
Yeah, 70. Thank you.
Follow mo daw.
Go, Mare! 1, 2, 3, go!
Thank you.
Sarap ng pearl. Fresh kasi.
May gusto ka pearl.
Ah, sige. Drink. Boba! Milk and pearl with brown sugar. Ah! Lalagyan na ba ng ano to? Oh my God. Bango! One bite. Sarap? Hindi. Kaya. Mas masarap pa sa buo. Kasi yung dami. Sarap? Dapat inuwi yan. Wala ka sa. May naiwan kang 2 pearls. Uy, 2 pearls. Lagi ka naiiwan? Oo. Parang ako. Sarap. Sige, sige. Sarap siya. Serto. Sa'yo na lang isa. Ulitin mo, kala mo hindi ko para titikman. O, last ball. Ako pala lagi hindi i-play. Bawal na lagi. Oh, sarap.
Taiwanese sauce yan.
Last one.
Spicy curry. Spicy. Spicy. Nagtinda? Yung sausage ko, yung sausage. Nagulat ako. Akala ko anong meron. So may ganun din dito sa Taiwan. Oo. Asan yung baby mo?
Manghang? Sarap?
Ayun na naman yung mga pinagaling.
Kasi kayo nanguhuli ng gantong oras. Kumakain kami.
Parang pwede pa lang.
Chicken. 99.
Hindi ko